Hello kids, welcome to Kids Vid. This is a king cobra.
This is a king cobra.
This is an anaconda.
This is an anaconda.
This is a python.
This is a python.
This is a rattlesnake.
This is a rattlesnake.
This is a green tree python.
This is a green tree python.
This is a garter snake.
This is a garter snake.
This is a black mamba.
This is a black mamba.
This is a corn snake.
This is a corn snake.
This is a wine snake.
This is a wine snake.
This is a ball python.
This is a ball python.
This is a sidewinder.
This is a sidewinder.
This is a tiger snake.
This is a tiger snake.
This is a sea snake.
This is a sea snake.
This is a copperhead.
This is a copperhead.
This is a red-bellied black snake.
This is a red-bellied black snake.
This is a boomslang.
This is a boomslang.
This is a rosy boa.
This is a rosy boa.
This is a boa constrictor.
This is a boa constrictor.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.